Come test drive the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.